I am lucky. Answer the following. Why do the butterfly likes its wings? Why do the butterfly likes its wings? Answer. The butterfly likes its wings because it is colorful. Second question. What can the myna do? What can the myna do? Answer. The myna can sing. Third question. Do you think the fish was really happy to be in the water? Do you think the fish was really happy to be in the water? Answer. Yes, the fish was happy to be in the water. Fourth question. What can the kangaroo do? What can the kangaroo do? Answer. The kangaroo can hop. Fifth question. What can you do? What can you do? Here in the answer, you can write what all talents you got, children. Anything you can write. But as an answer, we have taken answer. I can sing, dance, write, play, draw and paint. You can add some more if you want. Join the words to make one word. Children, here two words are given. We have to join those two and make one single word. Peace plus full is equal to peaceful. P-E-A-C-E, peace. F-U-L, full, peaceful. Play plus full is equal to playful. P-L-A-Y, play. F-U-L, full, playful. Color plus full is equal to colorful. C-O-L-O-U-R, color. F-U-L, full, colorful. Care plus full is equal to careful. C-A-R-E-F-U-L, careful. Hope plus full is equal to hopeful. H-O-P-E, hope. F-U-L, full, hopeful. Fill in the blanks using the words given below. Here are some words given, children. Using these words, we have to fill the blanks. The words given are H-O-P, hop, R-O-A-R, roar, S-W-I-M, swim, F-L-Y, fly. If I were a kangaroo, I would hop. Answer is hop. If I were a fish, I would swim. Answer is swim. If I were a tiger, I would roar. Answer is roar. If I were bird, I would fly. Answer is fly. Make some sentences using can or cannot. Now let us write some sentences with can, children. I can speak well. I can read and write. I can sing and dance. I can run fast. I can swim. I can ride on my bicycle. Children, till now we wrote all the sentences using can, and now let us write some more sentences with cannot. Okay. I cannot drive a car. I cannot fly in the sky. I cannot cook my food. I cannot wash my clothes. I cannot go deep inside the forest. Okay, children, then these are all some examples. Now you try to write some more sentences on your own using can and cannot. Okay? Okay, children. Thank you.